morning po ulit and welcome to our channel at Simply Smith Family. What day is it today, William? It's swimming day today, guys. I hope you're all okay. Saan man po kayo dito sa mundo. I hope you're all well. At today is swimming day for William. Swimming lesson ulit siya today. So tara let's begin. So we have 12 minutes journey there. So ayan, pagod ang lola nyo dahil nag-duty ako kahapon ng 12-hour shift, but it was a good shift. Very busy shift, pero minsan gusto ko yung ganon, yung busy shift para mabilis ang araw. So at least ang mga pasyente are okay. Namang sakyan dito, busy. I'm happy kasi yung duty ko kahapon, it went really quick kasi busy. At syempre, the patient went well. Got better. Kaya okay kami. Masaya ako dahil, alam mo yon, wardable siya. So, hinand over ko siya sa ward. So, that was a good shift for me. And then the other one, of course, kung okay daw siya, then hopefully we'll be discharged probably this week. Depende. Diba? And then today naman, it's our swimming lesson day. Last Saturday, hindi kami naka-attend dahil naka-holiday kami. This week, are you okay, William? Are you okay? Are you excited? Absent tayo ka last week, pero this week, bawi tayo. We're going to do kick, aren't we? Kick. Ayan, kick na naman kami ngayon. Ewan ko lang kung susunod ang William, baka gaganon. Tatawa-tawa lang yon, tapos magkikik lang kunyari. Diba? So maaga kami nagising today, mga 7 o'clock gising na sila. Sabi ko, hindi muna tayo babangon, pero of course we have to kasi nga gutom na sila, so I have to get up with them. And then we prepared our breakfast, didn't we? What did you have for breakfast, William? What did you have? Toast? You had Bovril. Toast with Bovril, that's what he wanted. While Benjamin had marmalade sa toast niya. At kumain muna siya ng butter. Hindi niya maantay. Hindi niya maantay ang Oh dear, we go this way. Oh, we have the same car there, look. Same car. Red din siya, oh. Pareho tayo. Yes. Don't sing. Mommy, don't sing. Why? Is it that bad, anak? Ito, mommy. You don't want mommy sing? Mommy? Ayan, guys. After ng breakfast nila, chocolate milk as usual. Request nila yan. Nakapaglaba na ako, naisampay ko na, and okay, it's 18 degrees today, so sabi naman sunny and cloudy, pero cloudy lang siya almost all day. All morning so far, cloudy siya. So hopefully matuyo ang mga labada today. Tapos pagdating namin, another salang kasi mga basa naming damit and towels kasi amoy chlorine. Oh, pwede. Can Thank you. Thank you. Si Manong. Dali na. So, Pinoy siguro yun. Nag-join kasi ako dun sa road. Parang T-junction. You have to like, parang mahirap mag-join minsan. Are you alright, anak? Mommy's talking Tagalog. Oh, you got to learn Tagalog. The Conjuring. Ano yan? Bagong film. Yan. Tapos, after duty ko pala, my God, kahapon, sabi ko kasi si Tomas off siya pag duty ako. So, sabi ko, tara na, deliver na natin tong sofa. Kasi I have two-seater sofas. Bale, dalawa siya. One, nilagay namin sa taas, sa bedroom, and then nilagay din namin yung isa sa salas. Dahil nga, may another pa kaming sofa, so parang ang sikip. So, we need to declutter. My friend ako, na nangangailangan ng sofa. Sabi niya kasi bagong lipat din sila. May mga sofa din sila, pero mayroon silang another reception room. Sabi ko, gusto mo ito? Oh yeah, sure, sabi niya. Oh, for free sa'yo na. Sabi ko, oh sige, tuwan-tuwa naman siya. So, ano na lang, delivery na lang ang bayaran ko, sabi niya. Kasi syempre, si Tomas, dinistorbo ko si Tomas sa day off niya. Pero after ng duty ko kahapon, may energy pa ako. Kasi syempre masaya ako kasi okay yung pasyente ko, di ba? Sabi ni Tomas, may energy ka pa, 12-hour shift. Oo, tara na. So, in-empty namin yung van. We made some room for the van. And then we, grabe guys. Akala ko magaan lang. Pasensya na. Akala ko magaan lang. Medyo mabigat pala. So, from bahay, syempre sa taas, binaba namin. Yung nasa salas, transfer namin. Tapos yung mga cushion niya, it was very easy kasi magaan lang naman. Bulky lang. So, kasya naman siya dun sa van. Pinagpatong na lang namin. And then, para isang go lang. Hindi na kami bumalik. So, yun. Buti na lang, pagdating doon, nandun yung husband ng friend ko. So, at least sila na ang naghakot. pero kami nito, sabi, are you okay? Are you sure you can do it? So, ginaid, syempre, yung ang lit-lit ko, diba? So, ginaid na lang ako ni Tom, ginaid ko na lang si Tomas dun sa mostly siya ang nagbuhat. Kasi bulky kasi yung sofa ng ating camera. Si William. Nakapadamit na siya ng swimming. Ang swimming niya, ako din nakadamit na rin ako. Binatungan ko na lang para mabilis magbihis, di ba? Mukhang maaga tayo, nak. Pero okay lang kasi minsan mahirap. Minsan kapag may event doon sa area, parang ang hirap maghanap ng parking area. Oh, bakit busy dito? Saturday pa lang ngayon. Uh-oh. Ba, may traffic dito sa may roundabout. Sa may ghost store. Sa ba to? Awang ko sa... basta sa may roundabout, guys. May traba. Smash. Na-busy na ang ating, at least dumadaloy. Bakit busy kanina? Yes, anak? What you saying? We're going for a swim. We're going for a swimming lesson. Going for a swim. You're gonna be kick. Are you gonna listen to the teacher? Yeah? You listen to the teacher. You copy the teacher. and you would say, put your chin on the water. Gusto mo yung may noodle eh. Gusto niya yung noodle. Ito dito nagko-crossing. Eh, may crossingan naman doon. It's dangerous yan, lolo. La 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 la. Oh, ito. Dito yung crossingan. Steamed up double glazing. Diyos ko guys, malamig na no? Autumn na to. Autumn na. I was driving home yesterday at sabi ko, Diyos ko, nagsisilaglagan na ang mga dahon-dahon. Onward and upward. Gone in a quick wash. Diba? Kanya-kanya naman mga advertisement. Kanya-kanya naman ang advertisement. Dito sa UK, sabi advertisement. Sa atin, advertisement. Ano yung mga bagong bahay na dyan? Oh, switch house. Oh no, there's the house. Sabi ni William. We're here, nearly there. Allah, tingnan nyo. Look at the yellow leaves, anak. They're falling now. Oh no, this is the start of autumn. Look at that. Falling leaves. Yes, the leaves are being blown away. Blown away. Ay, wow. Hindi siya sobrang busy. Very good naman. Yes, we're here. That's not a house. That's a building. That means a big building. There's the house though. There's the house. Yan, meron tayong party nandito for kids. Pwede yan. Are you going to get the ticket? We're here. Oh, we're still waking up. We're here na, guys. Oh, there's a tick. Right, we have. Where is that now? Less. May ticket na daw siya. Hindi naman yun ang ticket niya. Oh no! Mommy's car. We dropped it. What is that? What tree is that? May mga bungang red. Oh my God, mahangin. It's cold. There you go. There's a ticket. Well done. Oh, there's another one. There you go. Now let's go. So many tickets. Oh, there you go. You can hold that one. My collection ng ticket. Oh, go and put it in front, Nana. Oh no, the bird poo. Be careful. Assignment niya. Let's put it like that. That one. Go. Okay, go and get your backpack now. Let's go get your backpack. Okay, mind your fingers. I'll shut the door, please. Thank you. Oh, your backpack here? Oh, let's get our backpack. What pack? Oh, let's go na. Are you cold? Careful, anak. Let's go na. Are you a Spider-Man? Are you a Spider-Man? Ayan, bumalik na naman siya dun sa another rock daw. Sige, magasgasan na naman yung tuhod mo, anak. William, look, you're gonna have another... Look at that, look. You'll have another braces. Ano naman. Oh, let's cross the road na. Ready? Look at the right. Any more? Any car? Left, right, cross. Go, 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 go. It's coming. Well done. Come on, they will stop anyway. Oh, wah, masaya. Too loud? Is it too loud? Watch the people. Sorry. Stop shouting, please. You're making everyone worry. Oh dear. Do you want to the toilet? Let's go to the toilet first. Oh, look at that. There's a whale. Oh, 2 babies. Oh, maaga ka. Ang aga namin, guys. Kaya ito, pagala-gala kami dito sa complex. Oh, come on. What's in there? Arena. Let's slide. It's not a slide. It's a ano ba to? Bridge? Ano ba? Ramp? Are you swimming on the floor? Anak, stand up. You're gonna get dirty. No, 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 no. You only swim in the water. Yeah? No. Ang ganda nito, oh. Ano to? Ah, look. There's a starfish. Oh. May mga seashell. Ang ganda naman. Parang bato-bato. Anak, can you stand up, please? Oh, ito ata si ano to. Parang mga broken ano siya. Potteries. Tapos nilagay dito. Can you see the seashell?
No.
No? Let's go outside. It's cold outside. That's cool. Look at that kind of fish there. O, diba? Ang dami namang ano dito. Ay! Octopus! Look! Is that an octopus or a squid?
Squid?
It is a squid because it's got a pointy head. Well done. Where's the turtle? You see the turtle? Oh, you got to push it. Push. That's it. Push. Push. No, that's pull. Push like that.
Okay.
Go. Well done. Is it heavy? Yeah, I've got it. Let's... Pagbalik sa bahay, ayan, tulog ang Ben. Nainitan siya. Ayan guys. Ano na, gabi na. Tapos na ang aming swimming lesson today. Umuwi kami ni William, kumain, nakatulog. Kasi pagod. Etong si Ben, dahil nga nakita niyang nakaswimsuit kami, kailangan din isuot ko yung pang swimming shorts niya para kunyari kasama siya. Tapos yun nga, nung gising na si Daddy, tsaka na kami umalis ni William kasi para may magbantay kay Ben. Kasi hindi siya pwede dun sa swimming pool. Dapat one parent per child dun sa swimming lesson ni William. Kaya kunyari magsiswimming din siya, guys. Wawa naman na iwan. Are you right, Ben? Oh, you want the balloon again?
Yes.
As you can see, guys, wala na yung ating sofa dito. I managed to give it to ating friend na si Mylene. Kaso, they have more room to make a mess. Kaya doon pinuno na nila. Tingnan naman, Diyos ko, ang dumi-dumi, ang gulo-gulo. Kaya yan ang ating trabaho natin later pagka na sa bed na sila. So, it's nice because we have more room. Kaso, it's more room to make a mess for the kids. But never mind. Never mind, isn't it, Ben? Yeah? Ay, stomp daw siya. Stomp. Ay, shoot. Stomp. Yan, naiwan siya kanina. Pero okay lang, nag-enjoy naman sila ni Daddy. Nag-cuddles daw sila. Yakapan. Kaya sabi, oh my God, I enjoyed my kisses and cuddles with Ben, sabi ni Daddy. Ay. Si William naman, guys, andito. Ito naman si William, as usual, nainitan daw siya. Buti nga pumayag, nagpa-vest na, Diyos ko. Kanina tinanggal lahat ng damit, naka-brief lang all day. Kasi afternoon, nainitan daw. Kaya yan, nag-e-enjoy na nanonood. Kasi sabi ko, sige, manood ka na lang. Para There you go. Are you enjoying it? Oh, ang kulit. Oh, careful, please. Careful, anak. Ayan. Kaya pinapa-chill ko na lang sila. Kakain konti, kain ng mamaya. And then, bedtime. So, I hope you're all okay. At don't forget to subscribe and like. Ayan na naman. Promotor. Magpo-promote na naman. Ayan. Ay, so pop daw siya. Natutuwa siya dito sa Danny Go na pinapanood kasi interactive siya at ginagaya niya. Favorite episode niya itong may balloon. Sige. Hi! What is it back? What do you want me? Oh, the stamp. Do you want me to open it? Si Daddy naman duty tonight, kaya kami lang. Ako naman duty kahapon. Oh, so tired. Are you tired? Should we go to bed? Hi! Say hello, Nanay. Far? Near. Are you far? Near? Hi! I say, hi guys! Oh. Inaaral namin kanina yung near and far. Oh. Near? Is it? Is it? Was that good looking boy? Oh, sus. Ayan, makukulit pa. Madami pang energy. Kaya mamaya muna sila matulog. Ano ka na lang, mag-wash ka na lang mamaya. Hindi na kayo magbabath. Kasi babasain nyo na naman ako. Ala, what happened to the chairs? Ben? William, what happened to the chairs? Upside down ang chairs. Pati ang William upside down din. Pop the balloon. Oh, give me the remote. Then where's the remote? Please, again. So, tingnan nyo naman guys, umulan today. At ako'y nagsampay. Diba, this morning nagsampay ako. Sabi nila 4 o'clock daw ang ulan. So, alas 3 pa lang umulan na. Buti na agapan ko. Pero I have to... Oh, what's the matter? What happened? Oh, no. What have you done? Oh, it's stuck inside. Well, what we gonna do? Tap, 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 tap. Oh, no. It's stuck. It's stuck. Do you want me help you? Just go, paano to? What am I gonna do with this? Oh, wait. Yay! Natanggal na. Tapos ilalagay na naman niya sa loob. That's it. We won't be able to take it out again. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, here. Tap it here. Oh. Oh, no. Kasi naman you put it in and now it's stuck again. Right, let Mommy sort it out. Let Mommy. It's stuck. Oh, dear. It's not right. Oh, no. Ayan kasi. Ang kulit mo, Ben. Aray ko, William. What is the matter?
I love it.
You love
I did it.
You did it! Woohoo! Diyos ko, yogurt na naman ito. Itong mga ito. Kung saan-saan ang mga pagkain na nakikita ko. Kung saan-saan yung pinupunas ang inyong pagkain. Diyos ko. You like balloons, William? Yes! Oh, no! Kaya guys, kanina, buti na lang nung sabi ko, uulan. Alam mo bang uulan? Okay. There you go. You got it. Pop the balloon. Pop up the balloon. Oh, stamp Mommy's hand then. Stamp here. Wow, is that the present? Is that my present? Oh, thank you. Is that my present? Yeah, my present. Kaya yan guys, buti na ipasok ko yung mga damit pero medyo damp, medyo oh sorry. Kaya yan, naman ang ulan dito sa UK, umulan na. Back to reality na tayo. Rainy day all the time na. Wala nang summer goodbye. Oh, sige na nga. Not there, anak no. Here, on Mommy's hand. Oh, where's the paper? Where's the paper gone? Go and get the paper. Where's the paper there? Go get it. Go on. Go get the paper. Kaya nilagay ko muna sa dryer. Hindi na tapos ang kwento ko about sa labahan. Oops. Yan, nilagay ko sa dryer and ayan, pinaano ko muna. Kaya ayan, nakalaba tayo. Mag-fold na lang ako mamaya pagtulog na tong mga ito. And then, get all the uniforms ready for William. Diyos ko, nagka-dilemma kami dun sa uniform ni William. Dahil ang in-order namin na pang 5, get the remote, pang 5 years old, 5 to 6 years old. Hindi kasha. Thank you. Kasha sa pero sobrang big. Sobrang laki. Sabi ko, oh my God, mali ang sizing nitong Amazon. Kaya, Thomas has to order another pair. Buti lang naka-prime. At least 1 day delivery. So, yun. Ang in-order namin is 3 to 4. Kasi yung 5 to 6 too big. Size 12 ang neck, ang collar niya. Tapos yung 3 to 4 years old, ayun, mas kasha na siya sa kanya. So, oh, that's the crab. So, we ordered only one. And then, tsaka na yung iba, at least meron siyang gagamitin sa first day niya. Sabi ko, ano ba yun? Kasi wala. Hala. You got the penguin? You got the penguin? You're flapping. Why are you flapping like that?
Yes.
They are flying. They're flying. They're not. That was shark. Oh, pop the balloon.
It's floating.
Oh, ikaw naman. Oh dear, pagod na to. Yay! Bedtime! Saturday is over! Bedtime! Oh dear. Ayan na guys, terrible to na tayo. Talagang toddlers. Oh, where's the stump gun, Ben? So, itong pang swimming short niya. Oh, that's your car. Who gave you that? Who gave you that? Wow, is that Uncle Charles? That's Uncle Charles' car. Yeah, that's Uncle Charles. Pagod na si William kakatalon. Ayan. Pagod na siya kakatalon. Tara na. Uwi na tayo sa bed nyo. Uwi na tayo sa bed. Chillax ka, be, William. Hala! Nagdi-disarrange na naman ang ating Benjamin, guys. Dinadala niya lahat ng mga upuan dito. Parang dami, dalawa lang upuan sa kusina. At yan ang kanilang What happened? Naipit lang paa. Kaguluhan. Are you okay? Where are you going? Where are you going? Ayan, sige. Saan ka pupunta, anak? Where are you going? Mariosep. Choo-choo! Is that a train? Choo-choo! Choo-choo train! So, ang ating Ben nandito sa ating kusina. Ayan, maglilinis tayo after bed nila kasi ang ating bahay ay magulo na naman. Magdumi na naman. Grabe. Parang kalilinis mo lang maghuhover na. Ready? Go! Choo-choo! Train daw niya pala ito. Here. What you gonna do now? Okay, go. Go na. Anong ginawa mo dito? Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Oh, anong gagawin mo niyan? It's stuck! Oh, stop! What we're gonna do now? It's stuck! Magluluto sana ako ng pasta. Ano? Toilet? Go! 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 Oh, you want... Again. Choo-choo! Oh, let's go then. Let's go. Ayan si Ben. Naglalaro pala ng choo-choo ng train. Ayan. Iba ang... Oop! It's stuck! Go. Iba ang trip ni Ben. Magkalat ngayon. Oh. Parang nagkakalat ka naman everyday, anak. Oh. Okay. Oh, iba na naman daw.
Come on then, make a noise.
You right, Ben? Oh, ala. Oh, you got your goggles. Show me. Show me goggles. Ay, wow, may goggles ang Ben. Parang true. Akala mo saan pupunta. Oh, let me see. Let me see your goggles. Ay, wow naman. Oh. I see. Sige, hindi pa kayo naantok. Aba, feel na feel niya yung goggles niya, guys. Oh, social. Sige lang, nak. Oh, enjoy. Sa kalat, ang dami ng kalat. Okay lang yan. Ha? Is that your truck? Oh, that's not a monster truck. That's a car transporter truck. Yeah, transporter truck. Haba kasi, mami. Basta truck. Okay na yun. Yes. Aren't you lucky? Tada! Who gave you that? Of course, mommy and daddy. Oh, look at your ear, nak. Wow. Hindi niya naubos ang ating orange. Kumakain kami ng leche flan. Yan. Gawa yan ni guys. Ni Tita She. William. Si Ben, sige na. Show me your eyes. Ala, hindi ka na makakita. You can't see anymore. Let me see. Ang ganda talaga ng may space, guys. Pero, syempre, okay siya, no? Nawala yung ating sofa dyan. Kasi hindi naman natin kailangan. Madami na tayo. Malaki na ang ating sofa dyan. Given by our friend, si Baklang Sheila. Yung aming friend naman na yon, kasi siya, umalis na sila dito sa UK, nag-migrate na sila dun sa Philippines. So, doon na sila tumira. Well, may bahay na sila doon. May work, nag-work pa rin naman siya. Pero, mas gusto nila yung magandang weather doon. So, binigay nila itong sofa, guys. So, sabi ko, oh my God, we're so blessed. Kasi ang ganda, ang laki niya. So, diba, share the blessings din. So, yung dati naming old sofa, binigay ko sa aming friend. O, diba? Ayan. Buti na lang si daddy naman, at least may time na nag-deliver. And binulabog ko. At least may time din siya. Sabi ko, uy, thank you, ha? Diba? Ayan. Enjoy ka pa rin dyan, Ben? O, tinan nga natin kung luto ng ating noodles. Kain muna tayo ng noodles. Nilagyan ko ng egg. Kasi parang malamig. Gusto natin ng sabaw. Are you alright, William? Settled pa naman si Ben dyan. O, sige.